Imagine looking up at the night sky to find the moon, our celestial companion, glowing with an eerie red light. This isn't just any ordinary lunar event, but something far more sinister and unsettling. The moon, which has always been a symbol of calm and tranquility, now appears menacing and foreboding. It's growing larger, closer, and instead of its usual silvery glow, it radiates a haunting crimson hue. The sight is both mesmerizing and terrifying, as if the moon itself is sending a warning. It's as if the moon itself is bleeding, casting a blood-red shadow over the earth. This eerie transformation is not just a visual anomaly, but a harbinger of something much more catastrophic. This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie, but a glimpse into a terrifying hypothetical scenario. What if the moon, our silent guardian in the vast cosmic dark, turned against us? What if the very celestial body that influences our tides and stabilizes our planet's axis became a threat? What if instead of its steady, predictable orbit, it began a deadly descent towards Earth? The consequences of such an event would be unimaginable, causing widespread panic and chaos. While this might sound like pure fantasy, the science behind such a scenario reveals a fascinating and terrifying truth. The universe operates on delicate balances. The gravitational forces that keep celestial bodies in their orbits are finely tuned, and even a slight disruption could lead to catastrophic outcomes. The universe is a place of delicate balances, where even the slightest change can have catastrophic consequences. The moon's orbit around Earth is a perfect example of this delicate balance. If the moon were to deviate from its path, the effects on our planet would be devastating. Tidal waves, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions could become the norm, altering life as we know it. The moon's deadly dance is a reminder of the fragile nature of our existence in the vast cosmos. For billions of years, the Earth and the moon have been locked in a celestial dance. This dance is not just a simple orbit, but a complex relationship that has shaped the very nature of our planet. The moon, our planet's only natural satellite, has played a vital role in our existence. It has been a constant companion, influencing various aspects of life on Earth. Its gravitational pull is responsible for the rhythmic rise and fall of ocean tides, which in turn affect marine life and coastal ecosystems. The moon's gravity also stabilizes our planet's axial tilt, which is crucial for maintaining a stable climate. This delicate balance, however, hinges on a complex interplay of gravitational forces and orbital mechanics. The gravitational pull between the Earth and the moon creates a dynamic system that is both stable and ever-changing. The moon's orbit isn't perfectly circular, it's slightly elliptical, meaning its distance from Earth varies slightly over time. This variation affects the gravitational forces at play, adding another layer of complexity to this celestial relationship. This subtle dance, governed by the laws of physics, is what keeps the moon safely in orbit. The balance of forces ensures that the moon remains at a relatively constant distance from Earth, allowing life to thrive. But what if something were to disrupt this intricate balance? A significant change in the moon's orbit could have catastrophic consequences for our planet. The tides could become erratic, the climate could shift dramatically, and the length of our days could change. Understanding this delicate balance is crucial for appreciating the stability and beauty of our celestial neighborhood. The force of gravity is what holds the universe together. It's the invisible hand that keeps our feet firmly planted on the ground, the Earth in orbit around the sun, and the moon tethered to our planet. The strength of gravity depends on two things: mass and distance. The more massive an object, the stronger its gravitational pull. The closer objects are, the stronger the gravitational attraction between them. In the case of the Earth and the moon, it's the Earth's much larger mass that dictates the gravitational dance between the two. But gravity isn't the only force at play. The moon's orbit is a delicate balance between its forward momentum and the Earth's gravitational pull. Imagine swinging a ball on a string. The string represents gravity, pulling the ball inwards, while the ball's forward motion keeps it moving in a circle. If you were to suddenly shorten the string, the ball would spiral inwards. Similarly, if something were to disrupt the moon's forward momentum or alter its orbital path, it could be sent on a collision course with Earth. Section 5. Cosmic Cataclysm, the Moon's Descent. While the idea of the moon crashing into Earth might seem like something out of a disaster movie, the possibility, while incredibly remote, is not entirely implausible. A large asteroid impact on the moon's surface, for instance, could potentially knock it off course, sending it hurtling towards Earth. As the moon drew closer, its gravitational pull on Earth would increase exponentially. Tides would become monstrous, swallowing coastlines and wreaking havoc on coastal cities. Earthquakes and volcanic eruptions would rip across the globe, reshaping continents and unleashing unimaginable devastation. Section 6. Tidal Terror. Oceans Unleashed. The moon's gravitational pull is what causes the tides on Earth. As the moon orbits our planet, its gravity tugs on the oceans, causing them to bulge out on the side facing the moon and the side directly opposite. If the moon were to come significantly closer to Earth, the tidal forces would be amplified to catastrophic levels. Imagine waves taller than skyscrapers, crashing inland with the force of 1,000 tsunamis, reshaping coastlines and drowning entire cities beneath their fury. Section 7. The Science of Survival. Can we escape? In the face of such a catastrophic event, the question arises, could humanity survive? The answer, unfortunately, is bleak. The sheer scale of the devastation, from earthquakes and volcanic eruptions to colossal tsunamis and the eventual impact itself, would be insurmountable. Even if some pockets of humanity managed to survive the initial onslaught, the aftermath would be equally dire. The impact would likely trigger a global firestorm, followed by a prolonged period of darkness and extreme cold as dust and debris choked out the sun. Section 8. Safe for now. The moon is staying put. The good news is that such a scenario is highly unlikely. The moon has been orbiting Earth for billions of years, and there's no celestial object large enough to knock it off course within our solar system. The moon's orbit is stable, and its gravitational relationship with Earth is well established. This relationship has been a constant for eons, influencing tides, stabilizing Earth's axial tilt, and even playing a role in the evolution of life on our planet. While asteroid impacts are a real threat, the vastness of space makes a direct hit on the moon that could significantly alter its orbit incredibly improbable. The moon's size and distance from Earth provide a natural shield, deflecting or absorbing impacts that might otherwise affect our planet. Additionally, space agencies around the world are constantly monitoring the skies for potential threats, ready to take action if necessary. So for the foreseeable future, we can rest assured that the moon will continue its celestial dance, its gentle glow a source of wonder and inspiration rather than fear. The moon's presence in our night sky has been a constant companion to humanity, guiding explorers, inspiring poets, and serving as a symbol of mystery and beauty. As we look up at the moon, we can appreciate its steadfastness and the role it plays in our lives, knowing that it will remain a faithful sentinel in the sky for generations to come. Section 9. Celestial Mechanics. Unraveling the Universe. The hypothetical scenario of the moon turning on Earth might be the stuff of science fiction, but it highlights a profound truth. The universe is a place of both incredible order and delicate balances. Understanding the forces that govern celestial objects, from gravity and orbital mechanics to the potential threats posed by asteroids, gives us a deeper appreciation for the intricate workings of the cosmos. Section 10. Our place in the cosmos. As we gaze up at the night sky, let us marvel at the wonders of the universe and our place within it. The moon, our constant companion, serves as a reminder of the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. And while the cosmos may hold unimaginable dangers, it also offers endless opportunities for exploration and discovery, urging us to unravel its mysteries and expand our understanding of the universe we call home.